How to fix Instagram tagged photos not showing on profile on Android. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps to fix the issue. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then select Activity. Scroll down and tap Tags and Mentions. Under Who Can Tag You, make sure Allow Tags from Everyone or People You Follow is selected, depending on your preference. Now, scroll to Manually Approve Tags and make sure this option is turned off. If you prefer to approve tags manually, tap Review Tagged Posts and approve any pending tagged photos so they appear on your profile. If the issue still isn't fixed, go back to Settings and Activity, scroll down, tap Help, then select Report a Problem. Tap Report Problem without shaking, choose Don't Include, briefly explain that your tagged photos aren't appearing on your profile, and submit the report to Instagram. That's it. These steps will fix Instagram tagged photos not showing on profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.